Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your address on Depop. Now, Depop is a shopping platform where you can buy, sell, or just navigate through to get your eye busy on catchy, beautiful, and modern pieces. Now, if you want to do any of these things, just ensure that you just head over to your Google Chrome browser and then get properly signed in or logged in on Depop if you already have an account. Now, to get signed in, ensure you have your email address, passwords, phone numbers, and all of the verification process that it would require. Having done that, do well to get yourself logged in to the Depop platform that looks something like this. Next, you want to change your address on Depop. Now, first of all, remember that Depop only allows changing the shipping address before an order is shipped. Once an order is in progress, you will need to contact the buyer or Depop support. Now, to change your shipping address or on Depop, the first thing you want to do is head over to your profile icon, which is at the top right corner over here. Click on it, head over to settings, click on that, and then select payments and address, or address depending on the kind of application that you're using. All right, so the next thing you want to do is either add a new address or you edit your already existing address, and you do that by entering your new address details, including your name, your street address, your city, postcode, country, and then when you're done with all of those information, do well to click on save to confirm. Remember, like I said earlier, Depop only allows changing shipping address before an order is shipped. So before you send out your order, ensure that you properly check all of this information to be sure that it is in the right place. So when your product goes out there, you are not found wanting and you're not curious to change or retract your product. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've been able to learn how to change your address in Depop. Until next time, bye for now.